Me and Fred out here today decided to come shoot a little bit down by the river, relieve a little stress from work. And so this is where we come to shoot and have a good time. Alright, Hot Rod Fred. This is Fred with his new AR15 chambered and 22 caliber long rifle. Fred's gonna send some lead down range. Oh, she's shooting good now, boy. She's shooting good. That's a clean magazine is what we like to see. Look at that beauty. That is a Colt AR15 22 caliber modified. And we like it. We'll go down here and see what Fred did. Right there's your group. Not too bad. That's about the size of a 50-cent piece. So, figure we do a little shooting today. So y'all better watch out for Dead-Eyed Fred. What you got to say about it, Jack? That's about all you need to say.
What? The heavy artillery.
Yeah. You want to blast her off a time or two, Fred, for the camera?
Yeah. Turn it off a minute.
Alright, Fred's going to try the heavy artillery out. That's my new toy I got there. We're going to see how Dead-Eyed Fred does on this. What you got to do is underneath here, there's a little lever. Push that up with your thumb and then cock it back. Hold that up and then cock it. There you go. She's ready to rock.
Ready?
Ready to roll, Fred. Yeehaw!
Got it.
And we're out. Yeah, you're recording. Alright, I figure we come
I got
out.
a little red light blink. Does that mean it's on?
Yeah, it's on. We're ready to rock and roll?
We're ready.
Ready to Fred it in.
Okay, this is Joe trying to go for it now.
I mean business. Come to the Berry Ranch. You might be going out in a body bag.